how do you navigate in payever point of sale? From the list of available applications, select the point of sale app. To begin with, you can automatically create the first terminal. Let's customize the appearance of the terminal. On the Themes tab, you can choose from a variety of different themes. Choose the one that suits you best and install it. It will immediately appear in the My Themes tab, and all changes to it will be saved here. In the Transaction tab, all transactions made in this terminal and their status will be displayed. In the Products tab, there is an opportunity to add new products, as well as having the option to select previous ones. For example, select 8 products that already exist in your business and add them to this terminal. You can connect a checkout for each terminal from the list of those you created in payever checkout. In the Settings tab, you can copy and share your business UUID. By clicking on Open, you can see how your customers will view your terminal and how easy it is for them to make a purchase. Complete the checkout, and it's done. Customize POS terminals quickly and conveniently.